I saw them at gas stations. If they sell them, why?
Yeah, I think Arizona. Some places.
California's legal. Yeah, my dad over there by it. If you take Bell Road all the way going down to Festival, yeah, there's a cop there. Yeah, he gave me the ticket. Yeah, when I had my permit, I went like, I didn't mean to go 10 over, right? I went like, yeah, let's put it 10 over. It goes from 55 to 45 like that, like real quick. And they gave me a ticket. I had to go to court. Just paid 130. And that day we were going to Mexico. And then I went up and called my dad. Well, they didn't call me, they gave it to my dad. And I was like, Jerry told him, I can't remember what he told him, but yeah, like, I think I had to spend like a little bit of time in jail and pay a fee. I was like, well, we're not going to do that. You just have to pay an amount. I was like, okay, fine by me.
Yeah.
Let's go. And yeah, we got there like at 8:30. We didn't leave the courthouse until like 1, 2. And no food. Like we didn't eat breakfast. I was like, oh my god, I'm starving. I forgot I wasn't even hungry. We went like that. We still had to go all the way to Festival to get a house done. It was not good. It was piggy, but
Call Deb.
Calling Deb.
Hey, happy birthday. Did you have a good day? Cool. You have to work, or did you get the day, have the day off? Oh, fun. All right. How many kids does he have now, 2? 2 little ones. Oh, wow. Keep them going on their toes. That's cool. Grayson was talking about this weekend coming over to help you do something on the roof of the trailer. So I just wanted to kind of check with you and see if that's what you guys were going to do. And he's talking about, he's talking about coming over. Oh, wow. Okay. Guess I think we'll get together on Sunday and meet over at Tin Top or something, but you're doing that. But the other thing I was talking to him, actually talking about Dakota about going with him.